risky. In this module, we're going to wrap up our discussion of social engineering with a quick domain review. This domain is part of the Ethical Hacker series, designed to help you pass the EC Council's Certified Ethical Hacker exam, also known as 31250. If you're studying for the CEH exam, here's where you are in the series. So what did we cover? We began with a set of social engineering concepts and techniques. Social engineering is the art of manipulation and relies on a number of principles such as reciprocity, commitment, social proof, authority, liking, and scarcity. We talked about the 4 phases of attack, which include research, choosing a target, pretext, and exploit. We then looked at some attack vectors including phishing, vishing, smishing, and impersonation. Lastly, we discussed physical social engineering, such as tailgating, dumpster diving, and baiting. Insider threat is a social engineering from the inside. We looked at how an employee may attack an organization and why. Lastly, we looked at the loss of data through impersonation, such as rogue websites or a phishing attack. The previously discussed attacks lead to things like identity theft. Here, the target finds themselves as a victim of fraud. And lastly, we looked at numerous ways in which we can prevent physical and digital attacks, including security measures such as biometrics and security awareness training. For additional resources, please review the exercise files associated with this exam. I wish you the best of luck on your CEH journey. It is an eye-opening exam that covers a lot, but also teaches you a lot about being an ethical hacker. Thank you for spending this time with me and learning about social engineering.